All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their fermentation kit so that I could show you guys exactly what comes inside of this box. So that's the top photo, the front, very similar, and nothing really on the sides and bottom, and the back also similar. So let's open this up, see exactly what comes in this fermentation set. Whoa, bunch of stuff I probably don't understand. So you get, it looks like a seal, okay. Wow, okay. Okay, so you get 4 of these. These basically look like, you can see they have the little holes in the top, and yeah, very unique little item. Okay. Then there's also 4 of these mason jar lids. So seems like you'd be able to kind of put this down into here somehow to do what you need. Other than an extra little valve there, that's all that's in there. And this looks like an extra seal because I can see a seal in each one of these. So they give you one extra of each of these, which is always nice. And there's nothing else in the box. So these are the mason jar lids. They'll fit on, you know, normal mason jar. You can see you got this to close it, open, and then there's a nice little seal in there to screw onto the mason jar. And then you would take this with whatever you would do with this to put down into here to accomplish what you're trying to accomplish. Let's see, what is this part? Wow, so there's 4 of these as well. Sadly, it doesn't really tell me what this is, but they give you absolutely 4 of everything. You just need 4 mason, get that out of here. They give you 4 of everything, and then you're able to put whatever this stuff is in it, and then screw this cap on, and it does its fermentation. So as I mentioned, they give you extra top here and seal for your mason jar lids, and 4 of these, literally 4 of everything. So all you got to have is 4 mason jars, and you should be good to go. So that should do it for this unboxing. Hope you guys have liked it. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.